TF-IDF, short for Term Frequency Inverse Document Frequency, is a statistical method used in natural language processing, NLP, to measure the importance of words in a document. It is a combination of two measures, term frequency, TF, and inverse document frequency, IDF. Together, these measures provide a weight for each word in a document, which can be used to determine the relevance of that document to a particular topic or query. The TF component of TF-IDF measures the number of times a word appears in a document. The idea behind this measure is that the more frequently a word appears in a document, the more important it is to the meaning of that document. The TF value for a word is calculated by dividing the number of occurrences of that word in the document by the total number of words in the document. The IDF component of TF-IDF measures the rarity of a word across a set of documents. The idea behind this measure is that words that are common across many documents are less informative than words that are rare. The IDF value for a word is calculated by taking the logarithm of the total number of documents in the set divided by the number of documents that contain the word. To calculate the TF-IDF weight for a word in a document, the TF value for the word is multiplied by the IDF value for the word. The resulting weight reflects both the frequency of the word in the document and its rarity across the set of documents. One of the main applications of TF-IDF is in information retrieval, where it is used to determine the relevance of a document to a particular query. When a user enters a query into a search engine, the search engine uses TF-IDF to rank the documents in its index by relevance. The search engine first calculates the TF-IDF weight for each word in the query, and then calculates the TF-IDF weight for each word in each document. The search engine then compares the TF-IDF weights for each word in the query to the TF-IDF weights for each word in the documents to determine which documents are most relevant to the query. Another application of TF-IDF is in text classification, where it is used to determine the topic of a document. In text classification, a set of documents is labeled with one or more topics, and a machine learning model is trained to predict the topic of a new document based on its content. The model is trained on the TF-IDF weights of the words in the labeled documents, and the TF-IDF weights of the words in the new document are used to make the prediction. In addition to its applications in information retrieval and text classification, TF-IDF is also used in other NLP tasks such as text summarization, keyword extraction, and document clustering. In text summarization, TF-IDF is used to identify the most important sentences in a document by calculating the TF-IDF weight for each sentence. In keyword extraction, TF-IDF is used to identify the most important words in a document by calculating the TF-IDF weight for each word. And in document clustering, TF-IDF is used to group similar documents together by calculating the TF-IDF weight for each word in each document. TF-IDF is a simple yet powerful method for determining the importance of words in a document. It takes into account both the frequency of words in a document and their rarity across a set of documents, which makes it well suited for a wide range of NLP tasks. However, it's important to note that TF-IDF is not the only method for determining the importance of words in a document.